are we today? Welcome back into the greenhouse. If we haven't met already, I am Sam. I'm your plant collector in Melbourne, and today it may look a little bit different, and that is because we are filming on my phone. I have left my camera at home, but I needed to make this video because it is an unboxing, and I know just how much y'all love unboxings, and I got two really exciting boxes, and they are going to be coming with me to the rare plant market event that me and Botanica are doing. So without further ado, let me show you the boxes. So we've got one, and that's like the smaller one, and then we got it two. So this is the newest order. I am very excited because I technically sort of know what's in it because I got given photos, but I don't know what's actually the contents in this box. Or I've forgotten because it could have been on an invoice, but I just like kind of looked at it. Anyway, I'm excited. You should be too. And let me just tell you, a lot of them are Anthuriums. This is quite relatively big in size, and I'll use my Kenefe. This is packed to the brim. That is so exciting. Okay, Kenefe down. Let me show you the contents up in here. Look at that beautiful packaging. Guys, I'm so excited. I don't know how I'm going to actually be able to sell any of these because I want to keep all of them to myself. So this is what it's looking like so far. Now this is a real cutie. It's definitely not picking up on camera, but this one is really vibrant pink. It is velvety. I've totally forgotten what this is called. The lub. I'm gonna have to put it down below, but would you just look how cute? And I think I've got one or two of these. Very pretty. Here's the second one. Wow, what are you? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is a African Aroid, well drained mix. I'm really loving that shape. Hopefully I have more of these guys so I can keep one, but oh my god, so cute. This is one really long. So that one's a new leaf just there. She's very fragile. What are you? A Mag X Black Complex. Wow. That is the most interesting shape I have ever seen on an Anthurium Magnificum. So I've got my Magnificum just there, which has had root rot quite a few times. And I've had a few seedlings or things that have Magnificum in them, and they're just, one, lighter in color. They're not as like deep, dark, and beautiful, but they're normally like heart-shaped, like not elongated and long like this. Like, what? That's the tip. Insane. Would you look at that? This one's one of the bigger ones. Beautiful. How many more do I have in here? I have 3 more in here. And I have a feeling that the rest are all Anthurium. Ooh! Ooh! Okay, so I think that this is the same. It's a Magnificum X Black Anthurium. That color! Oh my lord. That blue hue. Why am I like this? Why do I want every Anthurium on this earth? Beautiful dark bluey hue. You can probably compare it to one of my Crystallinums in the background, but how deep dark that actually is. So this one is a Veitchii X Tilaranense strong grower. Anything hybridized with Veitchii I'm always so in love with, purely because of the texture, like the abs. This one's so cute. What a beautiful hybrid. This one is a Guetamalan hybrid X Magnificum, and this one, look at the texture. Oh my gosh, how am I supposed to choose what are my favorites? Okay, so it has to be this and this one, I think. So that is box number uno. Finito. Now let's get onto the big box, which again, I still don't know what's in it. So these are the bigger plants, which I'm quite excited to see what is in here. From memory, I know that there's definitely more Anthuriums in here. Come. Ooh, cute. We've got a Crystallinum Forgetii and Mag. So essentially just a beautiful hybrid. Oh, that one's gotten hurt in the post, that's sad. But really, really beautiful. Ooh, and that leaf is still gonna get bigger and harden off. So, sorry. These are one of my favorites. They're called a Friedrich something and it is another pendant Anthurium. So this was in my previous video of when I went into Cairns. So this is a pendant strappy Anthurium, and this one I personally really love because it feels so buttery and soft. Got another, I see another, I'm gonna call it a Friedie. I'm gonna call it a Friedie. Got another Friedie. Oh no, a leaf fell off. That's really sad. It was beautiful. Yeah, that wasn't fresh. That happened in the post, which is fine. This is a Guetamalan hybrid X Black Anthurium. This one's gonna have great potential. Got a little bit of this overlapping here with the lobes. So there's about 4 leaves there. Really beautiful. For me personally, I do really love Anthuriums that are like pure, but the most fun I think about Anthuriums is that when you hybridize them and they get such unique, awesome characteristics. What are you? Okay, so this one again, the sinus is quite closed up, very beautiful. There is a little tiny red dot right there on the sinus, which I love. This is a black leaf Anthurium hybrid. We have no idea the heritage, but all we know is that it is going to be black and beautiful. So this is one of my favorites too. It was in my previous video as well, from when I went to Cairns. This is a Ephelobum. The best thing about this plant is one, the texture. The shape is awesome, but the best part is the red new growth with the plant. Is that a new leaf? That is a new leaf. Oh, she's shiny. Another Ephelobum. Yep. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. A Tilaranense complex. A strong grower, veined leaves. Wow. If I show you, so here, look at these leaves. Again, we've got some great venation. I love it. But would you look at the new growth? Look how beautiful that is. The veins on that is gorgeous. Again, very tempted. I may keep this one. That, my friends, is it. This was the last one. How do I even figure out what my favorite from this whole haul was? So I have 16 plants, and I can't figure out which one was my favorite. This one is definitely one of my favorites, just purely because of the shape and the texture. This one. These two are definitely up there. Last but not least, probably the really long, this one. This Magnificum X Black Complex, because it's the shape. Like, look at that tip of that leaf. So long. I love it. Even that looks more like a warrock to me. Like, the shape is so elongated. So I'm going to put these in some tubs. I'm going to keep them very humid and slowly acclimate them for the next couple of days. So this is the second time we are running the indoor and rare plant event with Botanica Melbourne, PCM, which is Plant Collector Melbourne, and Botanica. We had such great feedback from our last event, so we were like, you know what, we've got to do it again. So it'll be from 10 till 3 on Saturday, and that is at 48 Commercial Road. Feel free to come along. I will have these babies, but I've got so much other good stuff. I'll be bringing all of Dr. Green Thumbs. I'll also be bringing growth technology, some of my merch as well. And I guess that is it. Thank you for hanging out in the greenhouse with me once again. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.